Garmin, save video. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna Hey Garmin, save video. Hey Garmin, save video. Hey Garmin, save video.
I'm gonna do after.
These people don't know how to drive. Hey Garmin, save video. Hey Garmin, save video. Hey Garmin, save video.
Well, the Brewers are back in the home field tonight against the Cubs. Coverage gets underway following the 6 o'clock news. In Italy, Team Europe dominates Team USA for Ryder Cup, sweeping the 4 morning matches, also winning a 5th in the afternoon. Americans did not win a single match today, but did tie a few this morning.
Siding Unlimited, WTMJ News Time, 4:05.
This report is sponsored by Siding Unlimited. It's siding and...
What is going on?
Start emergency gear. Start emergency gear.
Running that down and putting the pressure on the organization of saying, we need that plan B, and we need to know where we're pivoting in 2 years. This does that, because I don't know if it changes your timeline quite yet. It does sound an extension that it does.
Holy shit!
Your window for the time being.
Start emergency gear.
620 WTMJ. All windows and doors in Wisconsin flavor in Airbnb level. They came in ahead of time, make sure they had all of the measurements. When the Bell people left, you had no idea they had been here. You just had the new
Start emergency gear.
National Gina and some.
Start emergency gear. Start emergency gear.
Well, there's, meetings about that in a couple of weeks. Need a meeting. What are you doing, you freak?
You're just
Start
should be
emergency
able to
gear.
log into your 401k and
Hey, another grand opening.
things going on this weekend for Potawatomi Casino Hotel, which marks phase 2 of the big $190 million renovation. I'm John Rick here, joined by Sarah Neubauer from Potawatomi Hotel, which is
Jeez, buddy.
round of renovation. Hey, Sarah, what's going on?
Start emergency deal.
Global commuters, you can hear me mornings and afternoons on WTMJ.
Hey boaters, cruise to Canterbury. We got everything you need, lots of water. Got an old boat, a new boat, in between. Canterbury, upholstery and parts, hard to find things. Canterbury.
Start emergency deal.
Cruise to Canterbury. We got everything you need, lots of water.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
People share, actually. Well, it's not rational. No, I acknowledge that. It sounds very religious. It does, which I'm not, interestingly, but I feel that that is probably how a lot of people do think about it. Yes, I suppose they do.
Just for fun. Like, I don't know, someone's reporting it. You land, jump, made it on the other side, no one was even, nobody even cared. Wow. Yeah. Oh, there's also a viral video of some guy, like, Brandon, who jumped on the trash and killed himself.
They're getting better! And I'm not looping.
Yo,
What?
give me your name.
What?
Give me your name.
Who are you?
It's none of your business. Want me to pull the badge or what? Give me your name.
Who are you?
Do you want me to call the cops right now?
Who are you?
Doesn't matter.
Go for it.
Want to be a moron?
Who are you?
Who are you?
I don't know.
Come on, let me see. Let me see. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it?
Get out of here.
No. Absolutely not.
Go
No.
back in your car.
No. You want to be a moron and put everybody else that's on the roads in jeopardy? This is why I ride. This is why we have a bad rep, you moron. Use your brain. No. Use your brain. No. You guys want to be morons on your moped? Give me a break.
Go away.
No. Don't be a moron.
Go away.
Is this Lincoln?
Go
Is
away.
that Lincoln?
Go
I
away.
guess I'll be calling your parents.
Go away.